Larry, let's see what's going on here.
Hi, everybody. Here's today's forecast for the Universal Backcountry. It's going to be sunny and dry at 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street. And we've got a high chance of fog precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Island Rock. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on.
Like that, huh? पानी फ्री पड़ता
Oh, look, it's raining. Well, how about that? Great. I thought the rain was over last week. Oh, that's a flood. Take cover, folks. Seriously, take cover. Nice. Oh, it's fun.